In order to add widgets to the lock screen on Nothing Phone 3A, we can go to Settings. Over here, choose Customization, and then we're gonna swipe to the right in order to show the lock screen. And now we can either press the Widgets button here, or we can tap on lock screen and tap on this section here, tap to add widgets. We will open widgets, and then we can choose the category. So let's say I'm gonna add battery, and then we have some example widgets that we can use. So for example, I want to use this 2x2 widget, so I can tap on it in order to immediately add it, or I can press and hold and then drag it to any of these squares. And there we go. Of course, we can go back and add something more. So let's say we're gonna add maybe quick settings. So I'm gonna add the torch as well. And you can also simply tap on the widget as well, I believe. Maybe not. Apparently not in this case at least. Oh, so in this case, we need to choose what the quick setting will be. My bad. So let's say I want to actually use the Wi-Fi. So I want to be able to quickly enable and disable Wi-Fi over here. All right, so now we can close this. And as you can see, we have our widgets. We can also expand the area so that we have more space for our widgets. So our lock screen can be made pretty much made out of widgets over here. And that is all. Once you are done, we can go back and let's check it out. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.